and listen to the stars. Listen to their harmonious address. See what wisdom has emblazed on the decree of its light. Altogether they start to speak with the tongue of truth. They address the majesty of the all-powerful, all-glorious One's sovereignty. We are each of us light scattering proofs of the existence of our Maker. We are witnesses to both His unity and His power. We are subtle miracles gilding the face of the skies for the angels to gaze upon. We are the innumerable attentive eyes of the heavens, which watch the earth, which study paradise.